Welcome. So we're going to answer this question before us. It says, sheets of corrugated cardboard are used for packaging. The rectangular sheets fit exactly inside boxes, which are in the shape of rectangular prisms with a width of 22.5 centimeters, as shown in figure A and B. So here we go. We've got this corrugated cardboard, which is been putting into boxes, and it fits exactly within this box, which means that this has a width of 22.5. Okay, the first sheet of corrugated cardboard is placed at the bottom of the box, as shown in figure B. The height, h in centimeters, of the cardboard from the bottom of the box is given by this right here, where x is the horizontal distance in centimeters from the left-hand edge of the box, which is indicated in figure B. So it's starting from this point here. So all this is saying is that this here is 0, and then going that way, it's going up. So that's kind of how we're reading it. This is 0. Okay. All right, first things first. Write down the value of A. Write down the value of A. Well, as you can see here, A is my domain, and it's starting at 0, and it's saying, well, what is it going to stop at? And hopefully you can just see just by looking at it, it's going to be 22.5. So nothing too crazy there. The width of the box is 22.5. So therefore A is going to be equal to 22.5. And there's our first answer. All right, let's move on to the next one. What is the amplitude of the function h? What is the amplitude of the function h? Well, this just comes down to a matter of looking at this and being able to read the amplitude. And of course, we know that it's going to be the number in front of our sign, and there's a 1 there. Now, it's not going to be -1. Remember, amplitude is always positive. So that means it's just going to be 1. Okay, we continue on. Part C. What is the height of the cardboard above the bottom of the box on the left-hand edge of the box? So it's asking me, if we can zoom in here, what is the height of the cardboard right here? It wants that height there. If I can do this a bit prettier, maybe if I do it in red, you can see it a bit clearer, but it wants this point right here. That's what it wants. And how are we going to find that? Well, all that is simply h of 0. So if I come here, I can simply go, well, at this point right here, so at this point, x is equal to 0. So I want to find h of 0. And I know that h of 0 is simply going to be negative sine of 0 plus 1, because I just am putting 0 into that spot right there. And if I do that, n times 0 is just 0, so that whole thing goes away. And then sine of 0 is 0, so it just means it's going to be 1. So therefore, 1 centimeter above, 1 centimeter above. Let's just read the question carefully. What is the height of the cardboard above the bottom of the box? 1 centimeter above bottom of the box. Perfect. So that's how you answer questions A, B, and C of this. We'll pause here and then go through the next part.